Christina processes hundreds of invoices daily. Not just that, she has to complete the other important tasks assigned to her. She found invoice processing is a repetitive and time-consuming task until she used one software technology that not just helped her to work more efficiently and accurately, but also her organization to achieve rapid return on investment. So, let's see how she has achieved this milestone. If you want to convert a simple process into rapid action process like Christina did, then switch to RPA, which is known as robotic process automation. So what exactly robotic process automation is? RPA is the use of software with artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to handle repetitive, time-consuming and high-volume tasks, such as making calculations, doing transactions, maintain records, and addressing queries. RPA technology is widely used in sectors like customer service, banking and finance, insurance, healthcare and medical, telecom, manufacturing, retail and FMCG, HR recruitment, and e-commerce. Our ROBOSTEP architecture offers more than regular RPA benefits, such as scalability, master boat handling, optimization, exception handling, sustainability, and reusability. So if you want to take your organization to new heights, get in touch with us. Visit StepOneStepAhead.com and consult with our automation experts now.